Hello friends, I am Lakshman. You're watching Learn Programming by Lucky Sir YouTube channel. I hope you are enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on bell icon to receive new videos through notification. Python tops the list of the most popular programming languages in 2018 and will be in top 3 popular programming languages in 2019 too. So this video is dedicated to those people who knows Python and wants to build their career in full stack development, or people who wants to learn Python and become full stack developer. Then what is full stack developer? Full stack in computer science comprises of complete front-end and complete back-end. Some people might call front-end as user interface and back-end as server side. So a full stack developer is someone who can work on front-end and back-end on his own and can deliver the application independently. Now let's talk about full stack Python. When we talk about web development, the development is done with frameworks these days. No one wants to write the same chunk of code multiple times, reducing efficiency and productivity. Such frameworks are there in Python too. The two most widely web development frameworks are Django and Flask. When we develop any application, it gets divided into two parts. They are front end and back end. Front end. When we talk about front end, there are numerous technologies to build the front end of the application. You need to have the knowledge of the following languages: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, jQuery. You can even explore AngularJS or React.js, which are optional. Then what about backend? Flask or Django, Python frameworks, and for databases, you can master any of these, but you have a high level understanding of all Oracle, MySQL, SQLite 3, MongoDB. You may also need to learn search tools like Elasticsearch, caching tools like Redis, learn some cloud server services like AWS, Azure, Digital Ocean. You also learn how to keep learning. So these are all the technologies you must learn to become a full stack Python developer. So that's it guys. So if you like our videos, so please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also share to your friends and likes our videos. So thank you for visit. Have a nice day.